If you're looking for a way to master the quadratic equation, there you go. Sum and product, literally life changers. Okay, so we all know that this is the general equation. So sum equal x1 plus x2, because it's a sum, so it should be plus, right? Okay, so this is also equal, gotta be very, very careful, b over a, but it's not only b, minus b over a, because this is the rule, right? So the product is x1 times x2, because it's a product. The product is answers of a times, right? Multiplication. So in this case, it's equal c over a. There is no minus, there is nothing, just pure c over a. Okay, so these rules, you have to study them more than you know your name, okay? These are literally life changers. Okay, now you're gonna be like, okay, but where is your proof? So there you go. Let's start from the general equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, right? Let's take that equation and divide it by a. What do we get? A divided by a is 1, so it's only x squared, plus b over a, because it's divide, so we can do b over a, right? Plus c over a, because it's c divided by a. It's equals 0, because 0 divided by a is literally 0, okay? So now if you compare them together, we got that c over a is the product. Wow, shocking, right? And we still have b over a. It's not really the same, right? Because there's minus. What do we do? Alright, so no doubt that all of us know that minus times minus is plus. So instead of plus, we can put minus times minus b over a. X plus c over a. We don't change that because we already got the form we wanted. So if we compare minus b over a, it's literally s, the sum. So this rule that I'm writing right now is the most important rule. Okay, you can literally get anything just from it. Now let's take some examples. x1 equals 1 minus radical 2 and x2 equals 1 plus radical 2, because we literally get those numbers always, minus and plus, you know. So let's see, the sum is x1 plus x2. So 1 minus radical 2 plus 1 plus radical 2. Now minus radical 2 and plus radical 2 are 0, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Now let's see the product. x1 times x2. So 1 minus radical 2 times 1 plus radical 2. And if you look at it, what does it say? A minus b into a plus b. This has a rule. It's a squared minus b squared, right? So now it's 1 square minus radical 2 square, which is 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. Okay, and now we put the equation in front of us, x squared minus sx plus b equals 0. So instead of the s, we have 2, right? So 2 over a is 1 in this case, so it's only 2. Minus 2x plus, oh no, it's not plus this time, because it's the p is minus 1, so plus times minus is minus. So we got minus 1 equals 0, and this is the final equation. Okay, now let's take another example and let's make it a double root. Let me make it minus 3 over 2. Okay, so what do we mean by double root? x1 equals to x2, which is equal to minus 3 over 2. This is literally what we mean by double root. So now the s is x1 plus x2, which is minus 3 over 2 plus, but we don't put plus because plus times minus is minus, so we put minus 3 over 2. So those would give us a solid minus 3. And then let's jump to the product. x1 times x2, which is equal minus 3 over 2 square. Okay, so minus 3 over 2 square. No, let me put it normal. Minus 3 over 2 times minus 3 over 2 is 9 over 4. Because anything minus times minus is plus, right? Okay, so now back to the equation. We got plus sx this time because the s is minus itself. So minus times minus is plus because the official rule is minus sx and it's minus 3. So plus 3x plus 9 over 4 because it's p equals 0. This is the final equation.